Experiencing payment or checkout issues on Ticketmaster can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to secure tickets for that must-see event during a high-demand sale. These issues have become increasingly common as Ticketmaster handles millions of users trying to purchase tickets for popular events, concerts, and shows across the globe. Ticketmaster's platform has faced significant technical challenges in recent years due to the implementation of new security measures and major updates to their payment processing systems. The most common problems users encounter include increased server load during popular releases, bot protection measures that sometimes block legitimate users, payment gateway conflicts with older browsers, and mobile app synchronization issues. To understand why these issues occur, we need to look at Ticketmaster's complex architecture. The platform operates on multiple interconnected systems that must work together seamlessly. The system includes 4 critical components: load balancers that distribute traffic across multiple servers, session management systems that maintain your cart data, payment processing gateways that handle financial transactions, and inventory management systems that track ticket availability in real time. Payment and checkout failures typically fall into 4 main categories. Browser-related issues account for about 40% of cases, including outdated browser versions, disabled JavaScript or cookies, and ad blockers interfering with payment scripts. Network and connectivity problems cause about 25% of failures, including slow internet connections causing timeouts, VPN interference with location verification, and differences between mobile data and Wi-Fi connectivity. Payment method issues represent 20% of cases, such as expired or invalid payment cards, insufficient funds or credit limits, and bank fraud protection systems blocking legitimate transactions. Finally, account and session problems cause the remaining 15% of failures, including conflicts from multiple browser tabs, account verification requirements, and session timeouts during the checkout process. Understanding these underlying causes is the first step towards successfully navigating Ticketmaster's checkout process and securing your tickets when it matters most. When Ticketmaster checkout fails, don't panic. We'll walk through proven troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies to help you secure your tickets successfully. Let's start with quick fixes that solve most common issues. The first and most effective step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Next, disable ad blockers and browser extensions. These often interfere with Ticketmaster's payment processing scripts. Always verify your payment details are correct and up to date. Check card expiration dates and ensure you have sufficient funds available. If quick fixes don't work, try network troubleshooting. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test different connections. Try alternative payment methods like PayPal or Apple Pay. These often have higher success rates than traditional credit cards on Ticketmaster. For advanced troubleshooting, log out completely and log back in. Clear all Ticketmaster-related cookies and update your browser to the latest version. Prevention is key to avoiding issues. Before major ticket sales, update your payment information, verify account details, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. During the purchase process, use recommended browsers like Chrome or Safari. Avoid opening multiple tabs, and complete your purchase quickly once you reach checkout. By following these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, you'll significantly increase your chances of successfully purchasing tickets and avoid the frustration of checkout failures.